Join an exchange of inspiring new perspectives that identify some of the greatest challenges and opportunities in the world of evangelism and missions. Dozens of exhibitors will be on hand to bring you up to speed with the various tools and resources that you and your church can utilise to reach the unchurched. Welcome to EXPO 2021. Join us in celebration and fellowship with the support of the NTCG Creative Arts Ministries, Karar Regiment Dance Troop, Psalmist Marcia Walder-Thomas, Evangelist Isaiah-Raymond Dyer, Reverend Dave Brown, and more. We have a DJ, live band and live radio broadcast. And what great event is ever complete without great food? Yes, we will have a tantalising jerk stall on hand to give some added flavour to your weekends. Register today at www.ntcg.org.uk/evangelism. Let's do this.